guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna learn another trick on how to edit much faster than your usual speed, and that is how to edit with transcription. So here I have a very small clip. It was from our previous video, but this trick is really good for if you want to edit long interviews and podcasts. First, what we do here is we come to this media page and we right click on the video, and then here we will come the audio transcription. So here we will do transcribe. Give it some time to transcribe. Alright, so now you see that here you have your own transcription, and what you can do now here is you can actually edit. So mine is just a 45-second clip, but it's super useful if you have a 30-minute interview, etc. Let's say I don't want all the pauses like this, so I can just do this. So it deletes all the pause. What if, let's say, so maybe I don't want this part. What I can do is press delete. So now it's deleted. And let's say you already went through all your stuff. I don't want this either. I don't want this either. And now what I can do is I select everything that I want, and then I could insert it to the timeline. The first option is place on top. Second option is insert in between clips, but our timeline doesn't have any clip right now. And another one is just to append. So let's just put insert for this case. And ta-da! Now we have the clips which are cut.
Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Have you ever wondered how to turn this into this, how to turn this into this in one click? Well, so that's why we're here today. And there's also some wind.
Yeah, so you can see that it omitted the spaces, the silence, and it also omitted the parts that I deleted. If let's say you don't want to add everything, maybe you just want this part, maybe just this part. So what you can do is just select this part and do the same thing. Insert. Yeah, so it's not the whole thing. Close. Okay. Alright, and what if you are transcribing from another language and the transcription is really off? So for example, sometimes I do Chinese and then it detects that, oh, it's English, and then my transcription becomes English and Chinese. So what we can do is we come to the settings over here at the bottom, and we come to subtitles and transcription. Here you would see transcription setup, language, and in our case the video is in English, so it's English. But if you have a clip that is in any of this language, you can just select them, so it's more accurate than putting it by default, which is auto. Yeah, so that's it. A very simple trick that really increased my efficiency when editing an interview and podcast, and I hope it helps you speed up your workflow as well. If you guys learned something and found value in this video, please share and subscribe and like it so more people can benefit from this video. Really means a lot. Thank you guys. See you in the next one.